Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Before starting your preparation, it is important to have a clear understanding of the exam pattern and syllabus. This will help you to plan your study schedule and focus on the important topics. Make a study schedule. Create a study schedule that is realistic and achievable. Make sure to allocate sufficient time for each subject and stick to it. Study from reputed books. Use books from reputed authors and publishers to ensure that you are studying the correct information. Make sure to use the latest edition of the books. Practice previous year papers. Solving previous year papers will help you to understand the pattern of the questions and the level of difficulty of the exam. It will also help you to identify your weak areas and focus on them. Take mock tests. Take online mock tests to improve your time management skills and to identify your weak areas. Join a study group. Joining a study group can be helpful as you can discuss and learn from your peers. It also helps to keep you motivated and on track. Stay updated. Keep yourself updated with the latest news and events related to the subject. This will help you to answer the current affairs questions in the exam. Relax and revise. Make sure to take breaks and relax your mind. Revise what you have studied regularly to keep the information fresh in your mind. Stay positive. Stay positive and don't get discouraged if you don't perform well in a mock test or a practice paper. Keep working hard and you will see the results.